How to fix Bluetooth not working problem in Samsung S21 FE 5G. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix Bluetooth not working problem in your device. But before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay, I'll tell you 4 to 5 solution which will definitely help you to fix your problem. So number one solution is that you restart your device once. Okay, restarting our device fix almost all our problems that we are facing in our Android device. Okay, first restart your device and then check whether your Bluetooth problem is fixed or not. If your problem is fixed, that's great, but if your problem remains same, then I suggest you to go to your mobile settings and then not your mobile settings, swipe down your status bar and then turn on the Bluetooth. Just hold on the Bluetooth, click and hold the Bluetooth and then come to this page. Okay, now what you can do is turn off the Bluetooth. Okay, turn off the Bluetooth and then click here on the three dot button. Okay, let's turn this on first. Now you have a lot of paired device. Just remove all the device. Okay, just unpair the device, unpair this one and unpair this one as well. So if you have a lot of device connected, then also your Bluetooth doesn't work. Okay, so in that case, just unpair all the devices. Okay, unpair all the devices and then scan and then check whether your Bluetooth is working or not. If it is working, that's great. If it is not working, then click on this three dot and then go to the advanced settings. Go to this advanced settings and then you have a lot of different settings here. As you can see, Bluetooth control history, as you can see. So here are the apps that you have connected long back. The date is mentioned, the time is mentioned, the app is mentioned. Click here and then click here, and then what you can do here is I suggest you to just click over here, wait for some times. I'll tell you what you have to do here. App details in the store, go to the Play Store, and then what you have to do is you simply have to click on the storage. Okay, and then you have to clear the data you are not using. If you are not using this, just clear the data once, and then again go to this app and then go to the storage. So you are disconnecting these apps from your Bluetooth. Okay, if you are no longer using this app, then just disconnect, clear the data and delete it, and then again go to the third app and then do the same. Okay, go to the storage and then clear cache. So this doesn't have the data option. You can click here data. So this doesn't have the data as option as well. So go back and then all your histories are cleared. Go to the advanced settings as well, the block pairing request. So you do not have any block pairing request. If you have any block pairing request, then you have to unblock it. Okay, and then try to pair it. And Bluetooth scan history, so you do not have any apps available now. So go back and then turn off and turn on, and then scan it and then check whether your Bluetooth is working or not. If it is working, that's great. If it is not working, then I suggest you to come to your mobile settings and then search for the click on the search bar and then click reset, and you have the option reset all settings. Click on the reset all settings and then you have to reset all your settings. Now when you reset all your settings, your Bluetooth settings will also get reset, and then you will have a fresh restart on your Bluetooth settings. It will give you the default settings that comes in a brand new phone. Okay, and then go and check whether your Bluetooth problem is fixed or not. If it is fixed, that's great. If it is not fixed, then come to your mobile settings and then check for the software update and check whether you have an update or not. If you have an update on your phone, you have to update it. You have to download the latest software. Sometimes not updating the latest software could lead us to many different misbehaving some of the app and many different problems like Bluetooth not working, call not working, SMS not working. So there are a lot of problems that could occur because of not updating the software. So in that case, I advise you to kindly update your software. So this is how you can fix it. I hope this video definitely help you. Thank you so much for thank you so much for watching. And another thing, if you are trying to connect your Bluetooth in some of the devices like car Bluetooth or any other devices, then just try from another device also. Sometimes that particular sound system or that particular device's Bluetooth is not working actually, and you are assuming that your Bluetooth is not working. So in that case, just try another device to connect the Bluetooth with that particular device. So if from other device also you are not able to connect it, then the problem is not in your phone. The Bluetooth problem is it's not in your phone. Rather the Bluetooth problem is in the second device that you are trying to connect. So this is how you can fix it. I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.